Dealing with electrical wires can be pretty intimidating, right?
But what if I told you you can change any switch in your house without calling a handyman? Hey guys, my name is Irfan and I'm a mechanical engineer with 15 years working experience. And today I'm gonna show you just how simple and easy it is to change a broken doorbell.
First, you have to decide which doorbell to use. You can choose between a standard just ring doorbell or a more advanced one with an integrated camera.
Whatever option you choose, the wiring process is almost always the same. We have this brown wire, which is a live wire, so live current. So make sure to turn off your fuses before doing anything around here. So safety first, please. And we also have this blue wire, which is neutral wire. It goes to the other side of this switch. And sometimes you can also have this ground, yellow/green wire. You can also connect it to this switch, but in most cases it's not necessary. Now on this new doorbell there should be marks for the wire input and they should be pretty visible. As you can see, this line is marked pretty visible.
As you will see right now, it's pretty easy to connect these wires to this new doorbell. Just press this small handle right here and put your wire right here inside and release the handle and the wire will be fixed. And just repeat the same process with the blue line, just here on the opposite side. Press it inside, release it, and as you can see, it's pretty fixed. These wires are going nowhere now.
Now, one very important thing before you screw everything, put the cover on and finish it, make sure your doorbell works. The last thing that you want to do is to finish everything up, collect your gear and call it a day. Turn your fuses on and find out you have connected your wires wrong and your doorbell is not working. So make sure to check it before you finish everything.
I will just make it accessible like this so I can press it here.
Let's simply turn the fuses on.
And now when I simply press it, nice.
Now, to fix this doorbell in this wall hole, turn the fuses down one more time, push these wires all the way inside of this hole, and you have these two small screws. We need to screw them right here inside because there's this small iron leg right here, and when we turn this screw in, this iron leg is coming out and it will be fixed here against the wall, so it will prevent this switch from falling out from the wall.
Make sure everything is tight.
Now, just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this content so far, it would be a huge help if you would hit that like and hit that subscribe button right now, as this really helps to get our content out there. Thank you for doing that.
Just put this small cover right on it.
Let's turn the fuses back on.
And let's check it one more time. Excellent.
Now, if you want to see how to connect LED lights and LED strips, then check out these videos right here. And YouTube thinks that this video is best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.